Exploring the sounds of celebration, A Blare of Trumpets. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that paints a vivid picture with just a few words, a blare of trumpets. This expression is rich in imagery and history, and understanding it can add depth to your English vocabulary. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey together and explore what makes this phrase so special. A blare of trumpets refers to a loud, piercing sound made by several trumpets being played simultaneously. The key elements here are loudness and collectivity. This phrase often evokes images of grandeur, celebration, or the announcement of significant events. It's a sound that demands attention and heralds something important or ceremonial. The trumpet has been a symbol of power and proclamation for centuries, used in various cultures to signal the start of events, gather crowds, or announce the arrival of important figures. The blare part of the phrase emphasizes the trumpet's loud, resounding nature, making it a perfect instrument for capturing public attention. In literature and everyday English, a blare of trumpets can be used metaphorically. It might describe a dramatic entrance, the start of a significant event, or even to signify a call to action. This phrase enriches language by adding a layer of auditory imagery that can make descriptions more vivid and engaging. To better understand how a blare of trumpets is used, let's look at a few examples. In literature, as the king entered the room, a blare of trumpets filled the air, signaling his majestic presence. In modern context, the announcement of the new product launch was met with a virtual blare of trumpets on social media. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to different contexts, retaining its core meaning of announcing something significant with fanfare and attention. We hope this exploration of a blare of trumpets has been enlightening and enjoyable. This phrase is a beautiful example of how English can convey complex ideas and emotions with just a few words, painting vivid pictures in our minds. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the imagery and feelings those words evoke. Keep exploring, and let the sounds of English enrich your language learning journey. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the wonderful world of English language learning.